welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're checking the breeding progress in our golden finch setup. We'll also be transferring their eggs to our society finches, who act as foster parents for the Gouldians. Let's start with the cage 1. We can see a few eggs in the nest, but the pair hasn't completed their full clutch yet. Since they are still laying, we won't transfer these eggs right now. We'll wait until the clutch is complete. Now it's time to check the second cage. Here we have 4 eggs and 1 egg has fallen outside the nest box. So for this pair, we'll go ahead and transfer their eggs to the society finches. Oh, there are already some dummy eggs in the society finches nest that we placed earlier. So now we'll replace those dummy eggs with the real golden eggs. Moving to the third cage. This pair has 5 eggs, just like the pair number 2. We'll transfer these eggs to the society foster parents as well. Again, we have dummy eggs already in place, so we'll exchange them with the golden eggs. That's today's breeding update. We'll check the progress after 14 days. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next update.